I'm really happy to be here and happy with all you guys. And what I feel sad for is this river, because for a long time the town put parking spaces along the river and almost like we forgot what it was for. So now we built a place where people can get closer to the river. And you get closer to the river, you can make friends with it again. And so a park has been created downtown. So maybe you could tell us how to pronounce the name of that park better.
Bridgewater.
And you want to talk about what it means?
P's in the Mi'kmaq language are pronounced with a B.
Really?
Yeah. Bidjinowiska.
Bidjinowiska?
Yeah.
Bidjinowiska.
Yes,
I like
that's
that.
it.
Pretty awesome.
Perfect.
And it means what again?
River of many branches.
So if you could imagine the river a long, long time ago, before cars, before trains, what do you think would be in the river? We're working with something quite magic. You can't see it unless it's wet. So it's like people won't see it unless it's raining.
Excited to see people come together to celebrate the river, and like the map kind of shows it's a river of many branches, and all those branches connect all the communities in the area. And I think that's a really kind of special thought, is how we're all connected by the river.